Hi, hello everyone. This is Mrs. Surya. We చూస్తున్నారు Bhavani tutorials and entertainment channel. And yes, ఈ వీడియోలో నేను RRB NTPC కి సంబంధించిన ప్రీవియస్ ఎగ్జామ్ పేపర్స్ లో నుండి జనరల్ అవేర్నెస్ కి సంబంధించిన బిట్స్ అనేవి చెప్తున్నాను. అండ్ ఈ ఎగ్జామ్ వచ్చేసి 2016 ఏప్రిల్ 6న కండక్ట్ చేసిన ఎగ్జామ్ అండి. ఈ పేపర్ లో నుండి జనరల్ అవేర్నెస్ కి సంబంధించిన బిట్స్ అనేవి చెప్పబోతున్నాను. అండ్ ఫ్రెండ్స్, నా వీడియో కనుక మీకు నచ్చితే లైక్ చేయండి. అండ్ అలానే ఇప్పటి వరకు నా ఛానల్ ఎవరైనా సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోకపోయి ఉంటే సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి. And yes, మన ఫస్ట్ జనరల్ అవేర్నెస్ కి సంబంధించిన బిట్ హియర్ ఫోర్త్ బిట్. అండ్ ఫ్రెండ్స్, నేను స్క్రోల్ చేస్తున్నవన్నీ అర్థమెటిక్స్ అండ్ రీజనింగ్ కి సంబంధించిన బిట్స్ అండి. ఇవి సెపరేట్ గా వీడియోస్ అనేవి అప్లోడ్ చేస్తున్నాము. ఈ వీడియోలో నేను ఓన్లీ జనరల్ అవేర్నెస్ కి సంబంధించిన బిట్స్ మాత్రమే చెప్తున్నానండి. సో మన ఫస్ట్ జనరల్ అవేర్నెస్ కి సంబంధించిన బిట్ ఫోర్త్ బిట్. ఎస్, ద ప్లానెట్ మార్స్ ఈజ్ ఆల్సో నోన్ యాజ్ డాష్. దీనికి ఆన్సర్ వచ్చేసి ఆప్షన్ సి, రెడ్ ప్లానెట్. The planet Mars is also known as the dash. Answer is option C, red planet. Next bit, fifth bit. What is the common name of the solution of calcium hydroxide? Answer is option A, lime water. What is the common name of the solution of calcium hydroxide? Answer is option A, lime water. Next bit, seventh bit. Seventh bit, Smiling Buddha was the code name for. Then the answer is option D, Pokhran 1 nuclear test conducted by India in 1974. Smiling Buddha was the code name for. Answer is option D, Pokhran 1 nuclear test conducted by India in 1974. Next bit, 11th bit. Next bit, 11th bit. 11th bit. Jantar Mantar in Delhi is historically important for. Answer is option D, astronomical observatory. Jantar Mantar in Delhi is historically important for. Answer is option D, astronomical observatory. Next bit, 12th bit. 12th bit. Bharat stays emission standards refer to. Then answer is option A, vehicular pollution. Bharat stays emission standards refer to. Answer is option A, vehicular pollution. Next bit, 23rd bit. 23rd bit. Multitasking system specifically refers to. Then the answer is option B, more than one process. Multitasking system specifically refers to. Answer is option B, more than one process. Next bit, 24th bit. Union Government School Nursery Yojana is about. Answer is option A, creating environmental awareness in young minds. Union Government Schools Nursery Yojana is about. Answer is option A, creating environmental awareness in young minds. Next bit, 26th bit. Chief Election Commissioner of India can be removed from the office by. Answer is option A, both houses of parliament. Chief Election Commissioner of India can be removed from the office by. Option A, both houses of parliament. Next bit, 31st bit. Syed Modi International Grand Prix Gold Championship is held every year at dash. Answer is option B, Lucknow. Syed Modi International Grand Prix Gold Championship is held every year at dash. Option B, Lucknow. Next bit, 32nd bit. Name the first woman to head a parliamentary force. Answer is option B, Archana Ramasundaram. Name the first woman to head a parliamentary force. Answer is option B, Archana Ramasundaram. Next bit, 33rd bit. Who was known as Basha Khan? Answer వచ్చేసి option C. Khan Abdul Jafar Khan. Who was known as Basha Khan? దీనికి ఆన్సర్ వచ్చేసి option C. Khan Abdul Jafar Khan. Next bit, 40th bit. Saffron is produced in a large scale in. Answer option C. Jammu and Kashmir. Saffron is produced in a large scale in. Option C. Jammu and Kashmir. Next bit, 42nd bit. The political system in Afghanistan is known as. Answer వచ్చేసి option C. Islamic Emirate of Afghanistan. The political system in Afghanistan is known as. Answer వచ్చేసి option C. Islamic Emirate of Afghanistan. Next bit, 46th bit. Who won majority of the men's single tennis Grand Slam tournament in 2015? దీనికి ఆన్సర్ వచ్చేసి option B. Novak Djokovic. Next bit, 49th bit. The Constituent Assembly adopted Indian national flag on. Answer వచ్చేసి option B. 22nd August 1947. The Constituent Assembly adopted Indian national flag on. Option B. 22nd August 1947. Next bit, 50th bit. When milk becomes sour, dash is produced. దీనికి ఆన్సర్ వచ్చేసి option B. Lactic acid. When milk becomes sour, dash is produced. దీనికి ఆన్సర్ వచ్చేసి option B. Lactic acid. 52nd bit. Yellow fever is mainly transmitted among humans by. Option A. Female mosquito bite. Yellow fever is mainly transmitted among the human by. Option A. Female mosquito bite. Next bit, 55th bit. Which one does not belong to the group? దీనికి ఆన్సర్ వచ్చేసి option B. Screen. Which one does not belong to the group? Answer వచ్చేసి option B. Screen. Next bit, 58th bit. The end of British rule in India came in the year. Answer వచ్చేసి option B. 1947. The end of British rule in India came in the year. Option B. 1947. Next bit, 62nd bit. Who was the first chairman of ISRO? దీనికి ఆన్సర్ వచ్చేసి option B. Vikram Sarabhai. Who was the first chairman of ISRO? Answer వచ్చేసి option B. Vikram Sarabhai. Next bit, 65th bit. The popular Yankee Stadium in USA is located at. దీనికి ఆన్సర్ వచ్చేసి option B. New York. The popular Yankee Stadium in USA is located at option B. New York. Next bit, 70th bit. An electric motor converts. Answer వచ్చేసి option C. Electrical energy into mechanical energy. An electric motor converts. Option C. Electrical energy into mechanical energy. Next bit, 71st bit. When the car takes a bend, the force that pushes us to the outside of the curve is the. దీనికి ఆన్సర్ వచ్చేసి option B. Centrifugal force. When the car take a bend, the force that pushes us to the outside of the curve is the. Option B. Centrifugal force. Next bit, 72nd bit. The Prime Minister is the ex officio president of. Option B. CSIR. The Prime Minister is the ex officio president of. Option B. CSIR. Next bit, 73rd bit. The name of the newest Antarctica research base commissioned in 2015 is option C, Bharati. The name of the newest Antarctica research based commissioned in 2015 is option C, Bharati. Next bit, 75th bit. 75th bit. Indian sports person Gagan Narang is associated with. Then can answer వచ్చేసి option B, air rifle shooting. Indian sports person Gagan Narang is associated with option B, air rifle shooting. Next bit, 77th bit. Microsoft Corporation was found in option C, 1975. Microsoft Corporation was found in the year option C, 1975. Next bit, 80th bit. 80th bit. Which organ is not a gland? Then can answer just say option D, gallbladder. Which organ is not a gland? Answer just say option D, gallbladder. Next bit, 81st bit. Who was conferred the Arjuna Award for wrestling in 2015? Then can answer just say option A, Babita Kumari. Next bit, 82nd bit. Every set in the dotted decimal format of IP address is called. Then can answer just say option B, octet. Every set in the dotted decimal format of IP address is called. Answer just say option B, octet. Next bit, 86th bit. 86th bit. Parliament House in Delhi was constructed during option C, 1921 to 1927. Parliament House in Delhi was constructed during option C, 1921 to 1927. Next bit, 87th bit. Anemic condition is due to, the answer to say option B, deficiency of RBC. Anemic condition is due to option B, deficiency of RBC, red blood corpuscles. 92nd bit. Next bit, 92nd bit. The recent trail run of odd even traffic scheme for Delhi was based on, answer to say option C, vehicle registration numbers. The recent trail run of odd even traffic scheme for Delhi was based on, answer to say option C, vehicle registration number. Next bit, 96th bit. 96th bit. The Hornbill Festival is celebrated in, answer just say option B, Nagaland. The Hornbill Festival is celebrated in option B, Nagaland. Next bit, 99th bit. Next bit, 99th bit. Yes, 99th bit. Union government budget deficits for a particular financial year represents. Then the answer to say option C, the amount of money that the government has to borrow. Union government budget deficits for a particular financial year represents. Answer to say option C, the amount of money that the government has to borrow. Next, 100th bit and last bit. Which aircraft carrier was formally inducted into the Indian Navy by Prime Minister Narendra Modi in the year 2014? Then the answer to say option B, INS Vikramaditya. Which aircraft carrier was formally inducted into the Indian Navy by Prime Minister Narendra Modi in the year 2014? Answer to say option B, INS Vikramaditya. ఇది ఫ్రెండ్స్ ఇవాల్టి వీడియో. నా వీడియో కనుక మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే లైక్ చేయండి అండ్ అలానే ఇప్పటివరకు నా ఛానల్ ఎవరైనా సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోకపోయి ఉంటే సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి. థ్యాంక్స్ ఫర్ వాచింగ్.